Okay, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at ticker symbol plug. That's Plug Power. All right. Basically, this company has like all of the what are they called? Like forklifts. Okay, this company basically has like hydrogen and or like basically clean energy. Um, like forklifts. Okay, so like Amazon and Walmart are two of their biggest customers. Okay, so they basically make all of that and they make clean energy, kind of like work vehicles. Okay, all right, so with that being said, this one runs with the EV market. When the EV market is tending to run, Plug will tend to run. Okay, when there's good infrastructure news, Biden infrastructure bill news, Plug will start running. Plug is one of the tickers. Okay, so keep this one on your watch list, and I'm going to show you guys two debit spreads with amazing profit potentials. Okay, so these are going to be our target areas, our target zones for the spreads. Okay, so we have the more conservative play is going to be March. Okay, 50 and 55 calls. All right, so I'll show you guys how to do that. You would click here, buy vertical. Okay, and then you would go down to one. So we would buy one of these debit spreads. All right, and as you can see here, it would cost you $93, and you have a max profit of $407. Okay, so that's about a 400% max profit. What we're looking here, okay, is to capture anywhere from like 50 to 200% max profit, okay, or 250 to 200% profit on this play. All right, so I would say if you get 50 to 200%, go ahead and sell this play. You could re-enter or you could reevaluate, whatever you want to do. Okay, basically, we would need the stock to go up in this range right here, 50 to 55, before March of next year. Okay, and then our more aggressive debit spread, okay, is going to be for January, and we would go to January, and we would buy the 70-75 call debit spread. Okay, so that's going to be this right here. Whoops. So if we think that plug may reach its all-time highs, if you think it's going to do a super massive rally as it previously did this time last year, okay, as you can see from last year, November, all the way up to here, to its all-time highs, we'll go and we'll take a look real quick and show how much percentage that was. That was over 400, almost 450% in about 84 days. As you can see here, okay, in the past 24 days, we're already up 77%. So plug has been on fire. Okay, if you were able to get in down here, anywhere in these areas down here, and you've been holding on to some calls or you've been holding on to some options, you're doing very well. Okay, as you can see here, again, over 75% in the past 28 days, which is not bad at all. Very lovely. Okay, so with that being said, if you think it's going to repeat this pattern of running up from November to January of 400%, then these are two debit spreads you can look at. Okay, you can look at this one right here, the January, and I'll show you guys the max profit on that one, the January 70-75 calls. Okay, if we go to one of these, the max profit on this is going to be $483. Okay, but you see the cost of this trade is only $18. All right, so that's like, I mean, that's phenomenal, over 1,000% returns right there. Okay, so if you guys like this spread, let me know in the comments down below and let me know what you guys think. Okay, remember, the key is to always lock in profits. All right, if you have a max profit of over 1,000% and you're up 200, 300, 400% and you don't sell because you're being greedy and you only want to sell at your max profit, then you're most likely not going to be a successful trader. Okay, this is gauging us. Okay, so now we know what our max profits are going to be, and between those max profits, we want to sell, or we want to set profit goals, basically where we want to go. Okay, where we need the stock to go. All right, so if you guys agree with that, if you guys like that, if you like these spread videos, let me know in the comments below and I'll keep making more. Okay, there's also going to be a link down below in the description. You can join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord there. Tons and tons of resources, and also you get access to all of the to the admin members call outs. All right, so you can follow all of our trades, get in and get out whenever we do.